With this project, we're trying to visualize 360-degree sound. What we're used to is a more directional speaker, so this is very much sort of flipping it the other way around. We've created a software tool that enables us to take sound in real time from an array of microphones and translate that into a ripple, line, or a dot. All the structures and architecture of it will be completely defined by the sound that emanates from this speaker. It was very important to do this as a physical build, as a real thing, and not as fake CGI animation. We go to a lot of effort to model it and sketch and draw it, but the really exciting moment is when you've done all that work and you step into the space and actually bring it to life.